Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Now there's a geocache over here. I've been to my mum's and it's over here somewhere, and I am pretty confident that I've done this one before, and if I have, it's a tub with a spider in it. It's about 500 meters away, but what's surprising is it's not registering as me having done it before on the app. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. If I have done it before and the log is still the same, then my name should be in the log. So yeah, bit of a mystery. Or have I dreamt it and had some kind of premonition that I've done it before when I haven't really? Well, we're about to find out, I guess. Or will we? Regardless of that, it's a lovely day to go for a little meander. Now across this field, just at the top of that, you can see some woodland, and it's in there somewhere, but we've kind of got to go the long way round. Just over the edge of the horizon line there where the grass is, that's a cliff edge, and just beyond that you've got the North Sea. Really is a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. So at this signpost here you've got Cleveland Way, Filey Country Park, and then Scarborough Road, and we're going the Filey Country Park way. Now according to the app, which you probably can't see in this light, we're about 80 meters away. I think we need to go into this entrance here. There are a couple of muggles over there, but I don't think they're going to pose any problem whatsoever. I think we've got to go through here. Yeah, 40 meters away. Probably see that a little bit clearer now, about 30 meters away. 15. I'm pretty close. It's one of those where you're in the bushes, meandering around, and there's muggles knocking about, and you look a bit furtive hiding in bushes. See, I know it's in this area somewhere, but it's just all green, and it does say it's camoed. Oh dear. Plus the GPS keeps buggering about. 1 minute I'm right on top of it, the next minute I'm meters away. I mean, look at this. It looks like I'm in the sea. It thinks I'm in the sea. Bonkers. Because of all this growth. Playing havoc with it. Come on. Okay, so I found it. Spiders and all sorts. Let's have a look, see if my name's in the log. I can't see my name on here, but I am confident I've found this before. Yep, doing that thing where you come creeping out of bushes, looking around, just to make sure you don't look furtive as hell. I think I got away with that. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. That's all for today. That is really weird though. I know I found that before. Or did I dream it? Weird. I know I've done it because it's really close to where my mum lives, and there's a bird hide around the corner. Something similar happened a little while ago, and I did a random find on the next cache down, but I know I'd done that one before too. There's something odd going on here. Anyway, that one takes me up to 190. 10 more till I hit 200. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, you know what to do about liking, subscribing, blah blah blah. You take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.